Hey! See if we can get his feet. Get those feet in action, boy. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. There we go. Woo! Woo! Yay! What a big boy! What a big boy! Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, 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 giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, 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 giddy up. Go, 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 go. Here I come. Go, 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 go. Do you love it? Say thank you, Nene and Papa. Thank you, Nene and Papa. I love it. Hey, Dominic, say I love you, Nene and Papa. Thank you. Say thank you. Hey. He does love it, but only for like 10 minutes. And then he gets sick of bouncing. Bruno, careful, don't eat his feet. Bruno, say thank you for getting him another toy and not me. Oh, you have plenty. Where's your toys? Bruno, where's your ball? What's that? Bruno, what's that? I'm gonna get it. I got it. Ready, set, go. Alright, well I just threw it for him to go catch it, but he didn't care. Wait, does he care that I'm not looking? What are you doing, eating it? Hey, why do you always do that, bouncing ball? Hi! Say hi to the camera! Hey! Hey, horsey! Hey, little cowboy! Hey, cowboy! Can I get your little face? Can I get your face? Hey! Whoa, that's a lot of bouncing going on. That can't be good for your brain. Hey! Hey, look up! Sometime. Does that seed taste good? Bruno thinks so. Why don't you stop licking it, Bruno? And Dominic, why don't you stop licking it too? Why don't everybody stop licking the seat? Go ahead, baby, dance some feet. Dance them. Jump the feet, jumping feet, jumping feet, jumping feet, jumping, jumping. Jumping, 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 jumping. Go ahead, baby, dance them feet. The Irish jig. Ta-da! Hooray! Alright, time to say bye to the camera. Hey! He always stops when I put him there. Here. Dominic, stop eating it. I don't think he's gonna stop eating it. Alright! Dominic! Hey! Hey, baby! Hey, up here! Bye! He's gonna eat it for a couple more minutes and that's it. Hungry? Wanna eat food?